Hi, this is a quick guide on how you can use this free invoice generator from Invoice to create an invoice and send it to your customer so you can get paid. The first step is to choose your currency. You can scroll through the list of currencies or start typing into the search field to filter the options. On the top right of the invoice, we have a placeholder for your logo. You can upload your logo file here so that your invoice will carry your branding. On the left side of the invoice header, there are some essential fields to be filled in. The From field will show your business name and address. The To field is to include the name and address of your customer. The invoice should have a date that it was generated on. Here we show today's date automatically, but you can change it as necessary. It is also important to specify an invoice number. Each invoice should have a unique number so that it can be easily identified both by your customer and you. Then you can specify the due date. We have the most common options listed here. For faster payments, we recommend setting this period to 14 or fewer days. If your customer has sent you a purchase order for the goods or services mentioned in this invoice, you can mention its number here for reference. And then we have the section for invoice line items. This is where you specify the products or services you have delivered, the quantity and the per unit price. The total value per line will be calculated for you. Finally, you can specify any taxes to the subtotal to get the final total value of the invoice. If you have any additional comments to be shared with the customer, you can use the invoice notes field for this. Now your invoice is ready. Click the preview and download PDF button to receive your new invoice via email. That's it. Happy invoicing!